You know, everyone talks about Navy Federal like it's the
Yes.
only game in town. Navy this, Navy that. But there's another giant, a sleeping giant that has been quietly handing out $100,000 personal loans and 0% down mortgages while everyone else is totally distracted.
Wait, Marvin, $100,000 unsecured money?
Unsecured, no collateral, just a signature and a 700 credit score.
Okay, stop. Who are we talking about? Because if it's another exclusive club that nobody can join, I'm leaving.
All right, Gloria, hold up for a second. It is exclusive, Gloria.
Okay.
That's why the benefits are so insane. We're talking about USAA. And today, we're going to see if you can get in, number one, and which of the 5 credit cards is actually worth your wallet space, and the exact credit bureau they pull so you don't waste a hard inquiry.
Okay, so if you want to know how to unlock the VIP section of banking, smash that like button right now and let's get to it.
All right, let's address the elephant in the room. USAA is tougher than Navy Federal. I'm going to keep it real on actually joining.
I knew it. Here comes the no speech part.
All right, hold up, Glow. Not necessarily. Here's the breakdown. You need to be an active duty, National Guard, or reserves, or a veteran with an honorable discharge. But here is the legacy hack. Check this out.
Okay, I'm listening. You know how I feel about hacks.
Right.
So what's the hack, Marvin?
If your spouse is a member, you can join. If your parent is a member, you can join.
Okay, so what you're saying, if my dad served 30 years ago and has a USAA account, I can get in?
Yeah, you know Mr. Artie's was in the Army 30 years ago.
Yes.
So exactly. Look, here's the kicker, guys. Once you're in, your children can get in. It's a generational wealth tool. You can pass the membership down like it was a family heirloom.
Okay, that's actually beautiful,
Yeah.
Marvin. It's not just a bank account. It's an inheritance.
But getting in is just step one. Let's talk about step two, getting the capital. You mentioned you needed a new car, right? You're always talking about these new cars.
Y'all know how I feel about new cars, but I do, okay? And the interest rates out there right now are criminal. What is USAA offering, Marv?
Look, they're very aggressive in the market right now. You know, it depends on your credit, what your interest rate
Okay.
is. But they do offer auto loans up to 84 months.
Wow, that's 7 years.
Yeah.
That brings that monthly payment way, way down.
Exactly. You know, it's about cash flow. You might be doing Turu, or you might be doing DoorDash where you need a car and you need transportation.
Yes.
But look, they don't just stop at cars. A lot of our viewers want the toys. They want the boats and the RVs.
Okay, now you're talking my kind of talk. We love the toys.
All right, USA finances boats and RVs too. They treat your leisure time very seriously. So
Okay.
if you're looking to travel the country or get on the ocean and travel the world, look, you can travel with style because they have specific loan products just for that, with terms that often beat dealerships.
Okay, money magnets, I need to know who is watching. Are you team save money or are you team spend money like me? Comment the word ready if you're ready to get approved for your dream ride.
All right, now let's switch gears for a second. Let's talk plastic.
Okay.
USA has a streamlined lineup, but there are 5 cards that you absolutely need to know about.
Okay, Marvin, can you break it down? Which one is the heavy hitter?
First, you have the USA Rewards card.
Okay.
This one is great for dining and groceries. You get 3 times the points on dining out.
Okay, so what you're saying is that's the foodie card. What else do they have?
All right, then you have the Cashback Rewards Plus American Express.
Okay.
This is for commuters. 5% cash back on gas and military-based purchases.
Okay, Marvin, I need that card because 5% on gas is huge right now.
All right, and for you travelers, there's the USAA Eagle Navigator Visa Signature. You get
Okay.
3 times the points on travel, but my personal favorite for simplicity is the Preferred Cash Rewards Visa card.
Okay, so can you tell me why that one?
Yeah, the main reason, Gloria, is because you get 1.5% cash back on everything. No categories to track, just swipe and earn.
Okay, 1.5% is nice,
Yeah.
Marvin, but Points don't pay for business startups. You promised me the $100,000 cash money, Magnus. Where's that, Marv?
Okay. All right. This is where USAA separates itself from the pack. Their personal loans go up to $100,000.
I'm talking $100,000 unsecured, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Most banks cap you at $30,000 or $50,000. USAA goes up to $100,000. Think about what you could do with that. You could consolidate debt. You could start a business, or maybe you just want to renovate your house.
So Marvin, money magnets need to know that they have to have a great credit profile to back that up, right?
Yes, that's true.
Okay, you just can't walk in with a 500 credit score.
Absolutely correct. And remember, they're relationship based. So if I were you, I would start a direct deposit and keep putting money in there every month because you need to build trust with them.
And speaking of trust, a lot of you are probably thinking, I don't know how to structure my credit to get approved for that much money.
Right. And if you're a business owner and you want to build a real funding strategy, you want to stop guessing and thinking I should try this, I should try that, we can help you.
Okay, so what Marvin is saying is we do have a free business strategy call available. We look at your situation and we help you map out a plan, Money Magnets. The link is right in the description. Don't leave $100,000 on the table because you applied the wrong way.
We see it every day. Now, we can't talk about USAA without talking about homes, Gloria. They're famous for the VA loans.
That means 0% down, right?
Exactly. 0 down payment, no private mortgage insurance or PMI, and they are experts at the VA process. Look, if you're eligible, it is hands down the best mortgage product on the planet.
Okay, Marvin. And let's tell them if they already have a house, what they need.
Okay, let's talk about home equity loans. Look, they'll help you tap into the equity that you've built to pay for college, maybe home repairs, or maybe you just want to consolidate all your credit cards. They offer fixed rates so your payment never changes, even if the market goes crazy.
Okay, stability, Marvin. That's what we need to be talking about. We like stability, okay? Marvin, we are at the finish line. I want $100,000 loan. I want the Eagle Navigator card. I hit that apply button. And who are they checking for the credit?
All right, I know everybody in the comments is going crazy for this.
Yes.
This is the $1 million question. Historically, USAA has been an Experian puller.
Experian? Not TransUnion like Navy Federal?
Usually Experian. However, we have seen data points recently where they pull Equifax for certain cards depending on what state you live in. So, you know what I'm saying? It may be different.
Okay, Marvin. So what you're saying is it varies.
It can depending on where you live. But if you're betting money, I would bet on Experian. Make sure that report is absolutely clean. Make sure your addresses are deleted, the old addresses, and make sure your employment is updated as well because they check all of that.
Okay. So there you have it, Money Magnets. USAA is the legacy bank.
Yeah.
Harder to get in, but once you are there, they treat you just like family.
But remember, even with USAA, if your personal credit is a hot mess, look, if you got collections, late payments, or high utilization, you're probably going to get denied. I'm going to keep it real with you.
Okay, so what you need to do, Money Magnets, is you need to clean up the mess first.
Right.
That is why you need to watch this next video.
And look, in that video, we show you step by step a system to boost your credit score fast as you possibly can so that you can walk into USAA with confidence.
Okay, so what we're saying is click the link and we'll see you over there. But in the meantime, let's get to the money.
And we're here to help empower your finances.